Have you ever wondered why almost every cybersecurity professional uses Linux? In today's video, we'll explore what Linux is and why it's such an essential tool in the world of cybersecurity. Linux is an open-source operating system, just like Windows or macOS, but with one big difference. It's free and customizable. That means anyone can see its code, modify it, and create their own versions. In fact, popular cybersecurity tools and platforms are built on Linux because of this flexibility, control, and transparency. In Linux, you have full control over the system. Unlike Windows, where many processes run in the background without your knowledge, Linux lets you see exactly what's happening. This transparency is crucial for security experts. Security features. Linux is designed with strong permission and user management systems, making it harder for malware to spread compared to other operating systems. That's why servers, firewalls, and even supercomputers often run on Linux. Powerful command line. The command line in Linux is like a hacker's toolkit. It allows penetration testers and security experts to run advanced commands, scan networks, and analyze data much faster than using graphical interfaces. Availability of tools. Most cybersecurity tools like Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark are either built for Linux or run better on it. This makes Linux the go-to platform for ethical hacking and penetration testing. Servers and real-world usage. Over 90% of the world's servers and cloud systems run on Linux. If you're securing real-world systems, you have to understand Linux because that's what you'll actually be defending. So, to sum it up, Linux is not just an operating system. It's the foundation of modern cybersecurity. If you're serious about becoming a cybersecurity expert, learning Linux is one of the first steps you should take. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.